guys, it's Bria Rahana, and today I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this look with this faux bang. This is not a part of the lace. I'm not a bang person, but I do like to wear it like sometimes.
I haven't been to a Raven forever since Vegas. Like,
good. Fredo is so irritated by me right now. He's so mean. Don't be his friend.
please don't.
So I have my wig that I made already. Fredo got me these clips, wig clip, and he got me this 4x4. Can I see it?
It's just, I got a lot of glare on it. They can see it. Yeah, it's good. It's good like that. It's good like that.
4x4 lace closure, 100% human hair. How much was this, Fredo? It was like 20 bucks.
Like 20 or 30 bucks. Well, in between 25 to 35. Yeah, no, it was 30 something bucks. Yeah, it was 30 something. Yeah.
On the back, it says material 100% human hair. Available colors 1, 1B, and 2. Lace type soft lace. Baby hair, yes. This is 3.5 inches. Density medium to high, and length 12 inches. Oh, this is 1B.
Is that hair high porosity?
This one is 1B. What? I don't know, boy. In the video, I said you're supposed to like pluck it and then put it in water to see if it floats or shrinks. I can't look at it now. This is what it looks like. It's really soft. Okay, don't do that because you'll destroy the lace. Should I put it on this one? This way would make... Ah, no, you're snatching my cap. Here is something that I need to tell you guys, okay, that I kept messing up on for a while, and I was like, what the hell, why can't I apply my lace frontals on properly? Is because what are you looking at? It was because I was pulling the lace like this, like pulling it apart that way, and then pulling it like I was stretching it out and then putting it down. And you don't want to do that. You just want to put it down, because what I noticed was when I would stretch it out like that, like pull it and then put it down, because I wanted it to be tight, it would give me like the ripples in the front, so it would be like lumpy in the front. Okay. So just put it down, nice and kind. Don't try to snatch it up. I want to pull it so bad, but don't do that. Just give it a little light, just tug. Not even a light tug. Just guide it. But don't pull it. Stretch it out. I don't know what I'm trying to say, but that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get my little paintbrush and I'm gonna take my Bold Hold cream. Alright, so I take a little tiny bit on the brush, and then sometimes I'll put it on the end of the comb and just wipe it under. And I'm just gonna put a light. Where I'm putting the glue at, my hairline is nowhere near here. Well, it's like back here a bit. And then I take the comb and just press it down on the area that's like when it's clear. So sometimes I will sew down the back, and other times I'll just use a bobby pin. Maybe I should have gotten a lace closer to my skin color because you see that demarcation right there. I've been using Eco Styler gel on my edges. My arms hurt. Okay, so I'm just gonna put a rubber band right here and then sew down the sides. Rough and tough. Don't be looking over here, Fredo.
I gotta look at the camera.
Oh yeah, you gotta do that. That's your job. Ah, dang it! Pop the rubber band. I need a brush. That's what I need. Alright, so Fredo won't give me a brush, so I'm gonna try and do this with a comb. And I'm gonna take my hairspray. This is the Tresemme. What this? Extra Firm Control. Ow! Ow! I got a cut on my finger.
How the fuck did you manage that?
I don't know how I got a cut on my finger, but the hairspray touched it and it hurt. My arms are tired again. So now that my hair is up in a sexy ponytail, like it's looking extra sexy, I'm gonna take this. You shouldn't use a rubber band. You should use like a scrunchie or something because it will pull the hair out of the lace just like it will pull hair out of your scalp, you know? Alright, now to work on the bang, and I need the hair to come down this way instead of it falling back. Ooh, you know what? I could have like took parted it like right here and then I don't want to have to take it out. No, I don't have to take it out the ponytail. I'm gonna just put another rubber band. And then I cannot see. Pull it back like that. But the knots, I'm gonna have to, okay, babe, look. I need you to do me a favor. I need you to wet this. Wet the hair like so much, like get the hair wet, and then because I need it to fall this way and not back this way. And the best way to get it to fall in the opposite direction is if you wet the hair and blow dry it, or just let it dry this way and it'll stay like this.
But you got the air dryer right there.
I know. Can you wet it? So here is the closure and the hair is falling down like this. Nice. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut the lace off. I'm going to take my wig clips and sew them in. The most important part of my video, it didn't get saved as the right file, so I have to re-record this part. My hands are blue, and you guys will know why after when I post the next video in a couple of days or maybe tomorrow. So I'm gonna take My man, oop. Oh my gosh. I put some foundation on the lace, and then I attempted to sew in these wig clips. I made sure I put a part here so that this will be pulled into my ponytail. I'm gonna fix the clips later, not right now, because I have my natural hair out right now. So then these wig clips are pretty hard to like clip down. It's a razor in here. I just took, the hair was still wet, and I combed it, and then I parted here and combed it back so it stays just like this and doesn't get mixed in with the bang hair. Take the rest and then put it up in my bun. I took a small amount because I don't like hair in my eyes. I don't want it to get in my eyes, so I closed my eyes. So I took a small amount. And then the hair was obviously longer than this. And whichever side I felt more comfortable using, I just went like that. And then I came over here and I went lower on this because I kind of wanted the sides to be longer, and I just cut it down like that. But I kind of like went in and cut a little bit straight, and then I went in and cut like that too. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And make sure, I'm like squinting like this whole time like this. Like click the bell down below, which is right next to the subscribe button, so you can get post notifications of every time I post a new video. You would love to see that because I'm so nice, you know, so just click it. And while you're clicking the bell, well, I don't think you can click the bell unless you click subscribe, so click subscribe first, then click the bell, you know. Yeah, well, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.